नमस्कार। हिस्ट्री क्लास। नाम जगदीश कुमार। क्वालिफिकेशन एम ए बी एड। डिजिग्नेशन लेक्चरर इन हिस्ट्री। स्कूल HSS नाथसेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट। थीम्ड इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री पार्ट सेकंड है ये। यूनिट छठा है ये। मुगल कोर्ट टॉपिक चल रहा है, यूनिट चल रहा है द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द मनसबदारी सिस्टम। तो मनसबदारी सिस्टम के बारे में आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। व्हाट वाज द मनसबदारी। मनसबदारी इज़ एन अरबिक वर्ड मीनिंग रैंक और द पोजीशन। मनसबदारी एक अरबिक वर्ड है जिसका मतलब है पोजीशन, रैंक। Hence, Mansabdari was system under which was signed the rank, income, position of the court of the Mughal officials। जो मुगल ऑफिसर्स थे कोर्ट में, उनकी पोजीशन, उनके रैंक। Mansab was given not only the military but to non-military official also। ये खाली आर्मी में ही नहीं था बल्कि नॉन मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स में भी था रैंक। अकॉर्डिंग टू M अतर अली, जो एक राइटर थे, उन्होंने इसके बारे में बताया है। द टर्म मनसब इंडिकेटेड अंडर द मुगल द पोजीशन ऑफ इट्स होल्डर इन द ऑफिशियल हियरार्की, appointment of promotion and dismissal of the mansabdar। The Mughals imperial generally appointed mansabdar on the recommendation of the मीर बख्शी। मीर बख्शी के कहने पर वो मनसबदार बनाता था। बट दे आल्सो एक्सेप्टेड रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द प्रोविंशियल गवर्नर एंड प्रोविंसेस। It is not worthy that the mansabdar were employed according to merit। The mansabdar generally started from the low rank and reached to the higher ones। तो लोअर रैंक से शुरू होता था, हायर रैंक पर पहुंचता था। बट द मुगल एम्पीरियर कुड प्रमोट एनी मनसब टू एनी रैंक इफ प्लीज बाय हिज ब्रेवरी आवर। लेकिन मुगल जितने भी राजे थे वो जब किसी पर खुश हो जाते थे किसी के काम से, तो उनको सीधा बड़ा ऑफिसर बना देते थे। द प्रमोशन ऑफ द मनसबदार वाज डन ऑन एवरी फेस्टिव ओकेजन। त्यौहार पर वो बनाते थे, आर बिफोर और आफ्टर द वार। द इंपीरियर कुड लोअर द रैंक इवन डिसमिस द मनसबदार इफ डिसप्लीज विद हिज। अगर किसी मनसब से वो खुश नहीं है तो उसको डिसमिस भी करते थे। Categories of Mansabdar। According to Abul Fazl, Akbar had made 66 categories of Mansabdars, but in fact the number was 33। It was nearly years of Akbar rule। Lowest rank of the Mansab was of 10 and the highest was 10,000। यानी एक छोटा मनसब जो था लोवेस्ट, उसके अंडर 10 फौजी होते थे, और एक बड़ा मनसब जिसके अंडर 10,000 होते थे। इन द फाइनल ईयर ऑफ हिज रियन इट बिकम 12,000। द कोर्टियर्स वर गिवन द मनसब अप टू 7,000। जो कोर्टियर्स होता था उसके अंडर 7,000 होते थे। द मनसब्स हायर देन देयर दिस वर रिजर्व फॉर द मनसब ऑफ द रॉयल फैमिली। द रैंक ऑफ द लोअर देन 500 वॉज कॉल्ड मनसबदार्स। फ्रॉम 500 टू 2500 was called Amir। 2500 जिसके अंडर हो उसको आमिर कहा जाता था। while those higher than 2500 were called Amiri Umda or Umd Azam। Jat and Savar rank। The Mansabdar were required to keep soldiers and horses according to their rank। तो जाट और सार उनके अंदर हाथी और घोड़े होते थे। When Akbar realized that the Mansabdar did not maintain the required number of horses, he made two type of mansabs। तो दो प्रकार के बनाए थे। They were called Jat and Savar। Jat means personal। It fixed the personal status of a person and the salary due to him, जो उसको तनख्वाह दी जाती थी। The Savar rank referred to those horsemen that the Mansab was required to maintain। ये उसको ज़रूरत होती थी तो मेंटेन करके रखता है। इन द कंपैरिजन वर द 3 कैटेगरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द जाट एंड सावर मनसब। ए पर्सन हु वर रिक्वायर्ड टू मेंटेन एज मेनी एज सावर्स एज ही जाट रैंक वॉज प्लेस्ड इन द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ दैट रैंक 5,000 by 5,000। In the second category was those who maintain half and more than a Jat Mansab 5,000 to 300,000। The third category was the maintaining less than half Savar than their Jat rank 5,000 to 200। Duties of the Mansab। The emperor could appoint the Mansabdar on any military or non-military duty। के लिए कहीं भी लगाता था। They could be sent to conquer other countries, revolt, or to imprison robbers and recruits. They could be ordered to be present in the royal court to undertake administrative duty. P. The Mansabdar were paid according to the rank of their categories. Their salaries were different from the Jat and Sawar rank. Their salaries could be increased as the manner of reward. On the other hand, they did not work properly. The salary could be decreased. During the time of Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan, the Mansab got good salary. During the reign of Akbar, 82 of the total income of the state was distributed among the Mansabs. Reforms 82. Income state was distributed among the Mansabdar. But things changed during the time of Aurangzeb. Now the Mansabdar did not receive salary from many months. This happened because the number of Mansabdar had increased, and due to the Deccan War, the treasury had become empty. So treasury khali thi. After the death of the Mansabdar, their property was confiscated. Reforms of the Mansabdari system. तो reforms क्या थी? The Mansabdari system lost much of its efficiency under Akbar's success. It necessitated the introduction of a series of reforms during the reign of Jahangir. Due Aspa rank was introduced. It was usually bestowed as a reign of royal favor. Shah Jahan found on his accession that many Mansabdar had no kept their full contingent, but they drew full Sawar rank pay. He therefore reduced the salaries of the troopers. Shah Jahan also introduced month scales. It was necessitated by the gap between the official estimated the income of the Jagir, the Jama, and the actual month of collected hasil. Demerits of the Mansabdari system. There were many demerits in the Mansabdari system because of the co-mingling military and non-military services. The efficiency of the soldiers decreased. तो decrease भी होती थी. No military officials were made army commanders. Non-military official को कमांडर नहीं बनाया जाता था. They lacked experience of war, due to which the army had to suffer heavy losses due to the large salaries and the Zabti system. The Mansabdar started leading a life of luxury. ऐशोआराम की जिंदगी थी. The soldiers of the Mansabdar were more royal to them rather than to the imperial. तो more royal थे राजा की तरह. There was differences in the work efficiency of the soldiers under different Mansabdars, and they lacked coordination. They lacked national spirit also. During the time of Akbar's success, the Mansabdar kept soldiers and horsemen and got more salary. It had adverse impact of the royal treasury, according to Dr. Aniruddha Roy. The Mansabdari system had many weaknesses that played so small part of the downfall of the Mughal Empire. Merits of the Mansabdari system. The Mansabdari system had many merits also. Mansabdar was given according to merit, so anyone could reach the position according to his merit. अपनी merit के हिसाब से उनको position मिलती थी. Hence, every Mansabdar had efforts to work efficiency to show his capability. The Mansabdar had to depend upon the imperial on their promotion and salary, so the danger of revolts diminished. डिपेंड था राज्य पर कि तनख्वाह कब बढ़ाएगा, कब प्रमोशन देगा. ड्यू टू द मनसबदारी सिस्टम, द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द जागीरदारी reduced, so the position of the imperial became stronger. Due to the Mansabdari system, the Mughal Imperial could establish a huge royal army. The Mansabdar had to be responsible for many administrative duties. This saved the Mughal Imperial from many problems. In nutshell, was agree with the words of I.H. Qureshi. Whatever its fault, Mansabdar system is unable to the Mughal to give good government to their people. तो इसी के साथ यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.